Hello guys, this is Adam from ESA. Welcome to Guangzhou Suichang Printing Limited Corporations. Our company is a member of Printing Government Associations, which is a direct printing factory in China over 12 years. And today is my great honor to be here to make a tour guide about our factory. So without further ado, let's get started.
Till now, the company owns total 200 professional workers and 10,000 meters garden workshop in Guangzhou. We are a leading one-stop supplier for commercial printing solution. From 2009, we aim to serve all the clients by heart.
We have equipped the most advanced printing and binding machines, such as Japan of Mori, German Hardcover, and Corbus and MDO, Swiss ruler Martin and Soldon. Total more than 100 equipments.
Provide services such as hardcover books, picture books, student textbooks, product catalogs, notebooks, paperbacks, non-woven fabric bags, plastic bags, desk calendars, hardcover boxes, cosmetics packaging boxes, express cardboard boxes, self-adhesive stickers, and printing solutions for related products. Till now, we had provided excellent printing services for more than 800 clients all over the world. Our team are dedicated in offering you a quality product and unforgettable experience of printing in China. After 12 years of steady operation, we are committed to providing customers with one-stop printing service and solutions, such as product design, print making, printing, post-press processing, and export shipment service. For a long time, our company has been actively practicing the concept of printing press and applying innovation to products to increase the added value of products. The powerful innovative technology has also achieved cost reduction and efficiency conversion. This is an advanced hot metal stamping machine that provides high-end hot metal stamping processes in various styles for your products. This is an advanced die cutting machine that can customize various shapes for your products. This is a high-speed box screwing machine that can produce cosmetic brushes, medicine boxes, food boxes, and etc. This is the Paperback production workshop, which can produce a large number of paperbacks. This is our advanced boutique high-end box production workshop, mainly producing various types of high-end packaging boxes. I have finished my introduction. Thank you for watching. If you need anything, come and contact our staff.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.